Tell me a little bit about just the internship then
Sure.
that following summer where was it like a purely an equity research internship?
It
What was it?
was.
Mhm.
Yeah, it was an equity internship. At that age and with my skill set, there wasn't a whole ton of value I could frankly add to the organization. And it's more, hey, the team will find some administrative tasks for you to do. And what's also important about equity research is teams are very, very small. So, versus an investment banking team, you may only have 2 or 3 people between, junior and senior that are responsible for covering stock names, talking to investors, creating research reports. And so your impact can be really materially felt if you go out of your way. And I think at that age, it was just about like being passionate and being willing to like stay late, work hard, and do whatever people wanted, and get people to like you, honestly. And saying like, this guy is really smart and wants to work hard, or guy or gal, I should say, is smart and wants to work hard for me.
Mm-hmm.
And I wasn't running any models. I wasn't writing research reports. But where there was an analysis here or there where it's like, hey, can you help dig up like these stats, or like, tell me what we should think about this trend, or tell me what you think about this company.